Hey guys, welcome to the channel Marzu Digital Learning and welcome to the Hindu newspaper analysis in Manipuri. Ngasi November 26 Friday numitki newspaper analyze to bahorasi. Ahanba topic asi government to revisit income criteria for EWS quota. EWS ki quota pibasida magi income ki criteria da अदुदा क्रिटिसिज्म खरा लैबनेबा क्रिटिसिज्म से सरकार ना अमुक रिविजिट तौरगा करिनो नि येंगगनी ना हाइरे अदो ईडब्ल्यूएस कैटेगरी से ईडब्ल्यूएस कोटा से करिनो नि येंगसे हाना मागी करम कैटेगरी दा पीबनो रिजर्वेशन से सिहाना EWS quota GS paper 2 Indian Constitution Judgment and Cases Government Policies and Intervention Sigamari Lainai. In 2019, the central government had introduced 10% reservation quota for economically weaker section among general category candidates in government jobs and educational institutions. 2019 the central government na 10% reservation quota se piyaba EWS category sida EWS economic weaker section sida economic weaker section se general category haibadi upper caste leiba hanadi upper caste oiba upper caste leiba taragasu asagi lairaba oiba 10% quota se job apply tawbada and lairik tamba matamda apply tawnabaneba 10% The 103rd Amendment of the Constitution of India introduced 10% reservation of economically weaker section of society. 10% reservation se 103rd Amendment tauraga pibani. Reservation of EWS will be given without tempering the existing reservation quota for scheduled tribes, scheduled caste and OBC. Magi sagi hanagi leiramba OBC, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe na leiramba quota se sida general kano sisina handaki EWS category sina kaimta sokpa leiroeba mase only general category khakta da pigada baneba general category gi lairaba mayam do aduda pigada baneba for important eligibility criteria se kari kari no family income less than 8 lakh per annum agriculture land less than 5 acre family income se 8 lakh per annum सिक्की इनकम सिगी मतंग दनी को खरा क्रिटिसिज्म फेस तौरी से सरकार नमागी 8 लाख से यामन मसीदा रेसिडेंशियल फ्लैट लेस देन 1000 स्क्वायर फीट रेसिडेंशियल प्लॉट लेस देन 10 to 200 स्क्वायर यार्ड 10 to 200 स्क्वायर यार्ड से 1800 स्क्वायर फीट अदाय फाउदा लेबने बा से व्हाट इज फैमिली एस पर द EWS रिजर्वेशन सिदा family income haina yawba sida family as a karino the term family for this purpose will include the person who seek the benefit for reservation his or her parents and sibling below the age of 18 years as also his or her spouse and children below the age of 18 years sida family and haire se kanabuno hairagadi reservation benefit lawriba mi magi parents sibling spouse macha mayam asibuneba income हायरगना ngसागी from all sources of income से सिदा include तौगनेबा salary दगी ओइरो agriculture business profession सी मयाम सिदगी मागे financial year दा कनो तौरगा calculate तौरगा सिगी income सिंसे ओइरकनेबा property हायरगना मागे family की different location दा लेरिबा property different flat सी मयाम सिगी property सिंसे ओइरकनेबा plot हायरगना ngसागी square 100 square yard ओइबा 200 square yard ngसागी municipalities की मतुंग इलेवा करम municipalities दा 100 square yard ओइरकपसु याय अमदना 200 square yard ओइरकपसु याय बा municipalities तुगी मतुंग इननेबा significance kaino address inequality sida 10% quota is progressive and could address the issue of educational income inequality in India since the economically weaker section of citizens have remained excluded from attending higher education institution and public employment due to their financial incapacity 10% quota sina upper category da lairiba income likpa singda higher education and employment gi issue garadi sina solve tawba yarganeba recognition of the economically backward there are many people or classes other than backward classes who are living under hunger UN igadam HI ire hunger and poverty stricken condition. The proposed reservation through a constitutional amendment would give constitutional recognition to the poor from the upper caste. Economically backward oibasingbu hana recognize tawba ngamgane. Economically backward haidi upper class ki economically backward classes mayamdo adu recognize tawba ngamgani. अखोई इंडिया दो ओबीसी नतबा अतोप अतोप ओबीसी दगी हेना लाइरा मयाम अमसु लै हाबसे मसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ना ईडब्ल्यूएस कैटेगरी से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सिसिगी मतुंगिना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ना हौजिकी इकोनॉमिक बैकवर्ड क्लासेस लाइरा बसिंग से अपर क्लास के सिसिंग से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ना रिकॉग्नाइज तौरकनेबा. Reduction of caste-based discrimination. Moreover, it will gradually remove the stigma associated with reservation because reservation has historically been related with caste and more often upper caste look down upon those who come through the reservation. Caste-based discrimination se masisu reduce tawrakaneba maramdi reservation se caste yengaga haurakpan hanadigi haurakpaneba aduna upper caste sing na reservation da tawraga changakpa mayam se for example job to oiro educational exam tawraga entrance tawra matamda quota gi basis sa changakpa yawe si mayam sebu upper class ki mayam sina look down to eba but masiki 10% reservation si upper caste masamak tegi lakpane ba laire eba caste based discrimination se aduna reduce tawrakpa yaeba. Concern hairagadi kari karino unavailability of data. The statement of object and reason in the EWS bill clearly mentioned that the economically weaker section of the citizen have largely remained excluded from attending the higher educational institution and public employment on account of their financial incapability to compete with the person who are economically more privileged. This is at best wild guess or a supposition because the government has not produced any data to back this point. Government na masigi EWS ki data amta laiteba magi object region si mayam pire se clearly EWS ki bill se da magi data se phajana mention tawdeba. Breaches reservation cap. In the Indira Soni case 1992, the 9-judge constitutional bench put a cap of 50%. The EWS quota breaches this limit without even putting this issue into consideration. Masi 10% pibase magi keno se 10% pibase masida ngasagi Indira Soni case 1992 tawgiba judges ki bench judges mapana bench ama tawraga magi cap se 50% thamkeba si 50% si yengdana 10% reservation se pirakpaneba. Arbitrary criteria. The criteria for income used by the government is bogus and not based on any data. Masi 10% pibase magi criteria se 8 lakh annual income aina piyaba. Government na karimta sigi 8 lakh per annual income se pirise government na karimta study tawraga haibana deba maramdi laira bamta 8 lakh kamaina per year da tanduino sisigi beza sisineba hoji criticism yamam face tawrise mayam dagi gen tarni ko next topic amuk tawrasi. Next topic sina bring in 3 rate GST structure. GST structure se amuk kai ahong balai GST da magi percentage kya lai je si yangasi. GS paper 3 government policies and intervention growth and development constitutional bodies si topic siga mari lainai GST se. The Central Board of Indirect Tax and Custom CBIC notified about the revised GST rate. CBIC se Central Board of Indirect Tax and Customs sina revised tawbagi GST tax se revised tawbagi notice laeba thora pireeba. GST rate have been increased from 5% to 12% on fabrics, apparel and footwear with effect from January 2022. GST rate se 5% dagi 12% for increase tawreba. Karam bada fabrics da, apparel da, footwear da sigi mayam sidaneba effects in January 22 dagi or aneba. Masigi the decision was taken in the 45 meeting of the Good and Service Tax Council. Masigi decision sina 45 meeting of GST Council da lauki baneba. The item include synthetic filament, yarn, linen, robes, packaging good, etc. Masigi item sing se sida yaureba item sing sina synthetic filament, yarn, linen, robes, packaging goods mayam sineba. The decision come as a blow to micro, small and medium scale textile and clothing units. Masigi decision sina MSME sector da effect oirakani haina khali maramdi MSME sidi edu yam chawba company ngakta nateba madi apikpa company ngakta ni yam likna haujabani sida GST mayam ama hapagadi MSME sector sida mu effect oirakadra haina su khalleba. Hanadi magi GST se 5% khakta leramiko adu hojikti 12% amu yaugre. CBICAC Central Board of Indirect Tax and Custom is a part of Department of Revenue under the Ministry of Finance, Government of India. CBICAC Central Board of Indirect Tax and Custom masi Department of Revenue gi part amani and Ministry of Finance and Government of India gi makha daleyaba. It deals with the tax of formation of policy concerning levy and collection of customs, Central Excise Duty, Central Goods and Service Tax and IGTS. Magi thabak se policy form tauba excise duty, GST, IGST masing singsidigi policy se mana form tauba. GST argadi GST is known as the Good and Service Tax. GST is a single domestic indirect tax law of the entire country. GST se masi entire country gi oina GST se single law ne ba indirect tax ki. Sida handa ki anauba GST gi percentage se kyam no GST kakhala ise sida irego. Hanadi ke daure GST tax se 4 rate structure neba. 4 rate structure se 55%, 12%, 18%, 28% en leba. Haujine 3% 3 gi kano da 3 structure dala neba 3 rate structure dala ani kamaina 8%, 15%, 30% hai na. Next topic amuk taurasi. Next topic sina 10,000 crore more allotted for Manregas. Manregas ki fund sida 10,000 crore amung thadare ko Manrega se magi fund se loi gire magi fund leitre na hairam bane 10,000 crore amung thadare fund se suna bagi da mukta mathang gi oina. Manrega kaino hana yengasi. Manrega scheme eba. Manrega is one of the largest work guarantee program in the world. World gi oina largest work guarantee program neba Manrega se Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act se magi objectives in to guarantee 100 days of employment in every financial year to adult member of any rural household willing to do public work related unskilled manual worker. Magi objectives in skilled manual worker mayam the 100 days ki employment piba sineba. Legal right to work. At least 1/3 of the beneficiaries have to be women. 1/3 of the beneficiaries se nupi oigadabaneba. Ahum thokpi ki saruk ama se nupi oigadabaneba. Wage must be paid according to the statutory minimum wages specified for the agriculture labor in the state, laborers in the state under the Minimum Wage Act 1948. Minimum Wage Act 1948 ki matungi namagi wage se pigadamni. Demand driven scheme. The most important part of the Manrega design, it is legally backed guarantee for any rural adults to get work within 15 days of demanding it failing which an unemployment allowance must be given. Manrega ki important design se kainama legally backed guarantee neba rural adults amagi oina. Decentralized planning. There is an emphasis on strengthening the process of decentralization by giving the significant role in Panchayati Raj institution in planning and implementation this work. Aikogi Panchayati Raj institution se decentralized form of government ni aikogi India se sigi decentralized the Panchayati Raj institution se strengthening tawnabai damak magi implementation se Panchayati Raj institution da ohen tawhaleba. Challenges kaino inadequate financing. Finance fazana fund leitaba masigi lack of fund oiba. Delay in payment waste piba matamda Tabak suhal laga wage piba matamda numit tha ama lephanba tha ani lera piba adumaina delay oiba. Ineffective role of Panchayati Raj institution na phajana implement tawbidaba. Large number of incomplete workers worker mayam ama laktaba thabak suba. Fabrication of job card se fake ID mayam fake job card mayam card mayam purakpa. Way forward hairagadi government na demand gi matungina work se phajana provide tawribra haina yengbigadabaneba. Strengthening scheme se strengthening tawgadabani. Authority khudingma coordinate tawgadabaneba magi department khudingma se coordinate tawraga masigi Manrega gi guarantee scheme se work guarantee scheme se strengthening tawgadabaneba. Gender wage gap. जेंडर वेज गेप ओहेलोइगदबनी नुपी नुपासु फजना थबक सुमिनरगा चप मानना पैसा फंगमिनगदबनेबा पैसा तो अमा नुपीना लिखलगा नुपाना यामहनबदो अदु तौरोइगदबनेबा ज्ञान तारनी को नेक्स्ट टॉपिक अमुक तौरसी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक सिना क्लीनिंग यमुना टॉप प्रायोरिटी चीफ मिनिस्टर अरविंद केजरीवाल हाइबनी को क्लीनिंग यमुना क्लीन तौबसे टॉप प्रायोरिटी ने मरमदी यमुना सिदगी चेंदब इसिंग से फर्टाइल कनो लेन मयाम अमदा तारिने बसिना मोट पतारगदी अतोप अतोप द तारिबे इसिंग दो अदुदुना अखोगी एक्वाटिक मयाम अमा सिरकप याय अतोप अतोप सिदगी इरिगेशन लौरिबा खोलिबा मयाम सिंगसे लेबाक लेहाउदो फर्टाइल ओइदबा तारगदी पोचै फरोय मयाम अमदा इम्पैक्ट लाकनेबा अदुना यमुना क्लीनिंग से इंपोर्टेंट नेबा यमुना से कायदा लई मासगी ओरिजिनेट से करिनो मा कराय करायदा चेली हाइदो यंगसी यमुना रिवर जीएस पेपर 1 वाटर रिसोर्सेस यमुना से सोर्सेस मागी सोर्सेस से कराय दिगे होरक पनो द रिवर यमुना ए मेजर ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ गंगा रिवर originate from the Yamunotri glacier magi originate se Yamuna river se kai dagi originate tawi hairagadi Yamunotri glacier dagi ma se originate tawi near Bandarpunch peak in the Mussoorie range of the lower Himalayas in Uttarkasi district in Uttarakhand. Basin sina it meets the Ganges at the Sangam in Prayagraj ko Ganges da angasi Yamuna river sina Ganges ka karai mafam da संगम इन प्रयागराज उत्तर प्रदेश मसीदा मिट तवेबा गंगा ngasai यमुना गा थ्रू कराई कराई दगी लागा उत्तराखंड दगी हिमाचल प्रदेश दगी हरियाणा एंड दिल्ली मथंग मथंग लागा उत्तर प्रदेश की संगम इन प्रयागराज सिदा गंगा गा मिट तवेबा मागा लेंगसिना 1376 किलोमीटर इंपोर्टेंट दाम हायरगना मांगोंदा साबे इंपोर्टेंट दाम सिंगी लखुवर व्यासी दाम उत्तराखंड सिना तेजावाला बेरेज दाम हरियाणा द इंपोर्टेंट ट्रिब्यूटरी सिना चंबल सिंध बतुआ केन टोन्स हिंदोन ज्ञानतारनी को नेक्स्ट टॉपिक अमु यंगसी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक सिना एडिटोरियल सेक्शन दगिनी सेटिंग द टोन एट ग्लासगो द जॉब अहेड इन दिल्ली ग्लासगो ददी कमाइन तवी अखोगी 2070 की मनुंगदा इमिशन की लेवल से हंथानगनी अखोगी जीरो नेट जीरो इमिशन द पुरकनी हाई बट लैरिबा अखोगी क्लाइमेट फाइनेंस सिनदी अदुदुगा चानरक्तरेबा हाइरिबा वादुगा क्लाइमेट फाइनेंस लैरि सिगदी मैम खेनरेबा अदु ग्लासगो COP 26 दा कई कई हाई किबनो अदु हाना यंगसी COP 26 Conference of Party 26 GS Paper 3 Environmental Pollution and Degradation International Treaties and Agreement Sitopisi Mari Lainai. Why in news India announced that it will reach carbon neutrality by 2070 as a part of 5-point action plan that included reducing emission to 50% by 2030. Kharani mamangda Glasgow the 26 suba Conference of Party to the Indiana announced the Madu 2070 fauba the carbon neutrality ohengani haina emission reduce tawbagi damakta 5-point action plan lakhotpa aduda masigi carbon neutrality ohengani 2070 faugi manungda sisu aduge part amaneba minutes of meeting achievement and setback kai achievement kai setback tawkibano meeting duda adu yengasi New global and country target. The Glasgow summit has urged country to consider strengthening their 2030 target by COP27 to be held in Egypt in 2022. Matangi COP27 से 2020 की से 2022 की से इजिप्ट ओइना तौगने बमदुदा 2030 की टारगेट तौरिबा इमिशन रिड्यूस तौगने हाइना अदुगी कंट्री सिंग दो Sai 2022 gi COP 27 sida magi action plan do strengthening taunabagi hairameba. The summit targeted global warming not to exceed 1.5 degrees Celsius and got about 140 countries to announce target that to bring emission down to net zero. Global warming से 1.5 degrees Celsius तक यौहन दनबा मागे target से announce तो we country 140 सिना target से emission reduce तो बगिने माइने target announce तो इसे The achievement is significant as the Paris Agreement. The developing countries did not agree to reduce the emission but just the emission intensity of GDP. मसिगी अचीवमेंट से पेरिस एग्रीमेंट तुगा हाइपेट मानैयब डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज मखैदी इमिशन से रिड्यूस तौबगी इमिशन रिड्यूस तौगनी हाइबसे यानिंगदेबा मरमदी डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज से डेवलप तौगदब पोचे मैम वाली डेवलप कंट्रीज अमा ओइरकनेबा अदुना डेवलप कंट्रीज ओइद्रिङैदा खरका चौखलकपता ngairiङैदा क्लाइमेट की सोमदा येंगबा तारगदी मोय डेवलपिंग तौबा मतमदा हेना चौखलकपा मतमदा दुना अखोगी डिस्टर्ब तौरका कंसर्न मोइरकद्रा हैना गिबगिनेबा डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज ngैना साइगी इमिशन से कनो कम रिड्यूस तौनबगी दमकता साइगी यारमद्रिसे India has joined the consensus and announced its net zero target of 2007. India na masigi kano se COP26 di net zero target se 2070 da haina announce puri tau khareba. This is a step ahead from India's past position where it never accepted the need to reduce the emission. Hanadi India na magi past meeting mayam dadi never accepted reduce emission तौबसे accepted अम्भव तौरमदेबा हांदा खक्तनेबा इंडिया ने accept तौरिसे Glasgow breakthrough agenda a potential important development which emerged out of COP26 but outside the COP process is the Glasgow breakthrough agenda endorsed by 42 countries including India 42 countries na Glasgow ki breakthrough agenda se da sign taweba development mayam ama tawnaba masigi manung sida India su yawi This is the cooperative efforts to accelerate the development and deployment of clean technologies and sustainable solutions in areas such as clean power, road transport, steel and hydrogen. Masina apunbagi effort ne technology, sustainable solution development taunaba road, clean power, steel, hydrogen mayam se develop taunabagi agenda ne basida sign taunari se. Facing down coal consumption. Coal is the dirtiest of fossil fuel and an early phasing out of coal is clearly desirable. European countries have pushed hard for its phase out. However, developing countries have resisted this. Coal se ख्वाइदगी अमोट इमिशन थोप फॉसिल fuel अमनी यूरोपियन एंड डेवलप कंट्रीज मयामदी सिजनदनबा अतोप रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी ना सिन्नबा होनरिबा डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज की ओइनदी कोल कंजम्पशन से लेप याखिरोयबा हौजी हौजी की ओइना खनि ममांगदसु इंडिया दा कोल कंजम्पशन से कितंग कोल से अवाटपदा इखोगी मई मुटपा अदुम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रॉब्लम मयाम अमा थोई सिसिंग से कोल कंजम्पशन तौदबा तारगदी डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज ता सिगुमर प्रॉब्लम मयाम अमसु मथंग उरकनेबा But India na di coal season na base lep na ba to pa energy renewable energy na sin na ba budi hai ba sida sin gani hai na but hauji ki oina di lep 3 call for a climate finance India noted that climate finance cannot continue at the level decided in 2009 $100 billion USD and emphasized that it should be at least $1 trillion to meet the goals in addressing climate change. India da leriba climate finance se sinadi hairiba climate change tawrapage sida 2009 da lepkiba $100 billion USD na sisinadi oiraroiba aduna at least $1 trillion changani haina climate finance se hairameba India underlined the unity and strength of like-minded developing countries as fundamental in the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change negotiation. Masigi wase Indiana magi like-minded countries in the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change siga negotiate tawraga hairakpaneba. To preserve the interests of global South in the fight against climate change, India highlighted that recognition of the current challenges being faced by developing countries require intensified multilateral cooperation, not intensified global economic and geopolitical competition and trade war. Climate change se fight taunaba India na highlight tawi madudi hauji developing countries na face tawri se economic challenges neba masigi problem se leiragadi climate change da aikoina honghalakpa matamda saruk yaba ngamoyba aduna problem se solve taunabagi damakta multilateral cooperation se boost tawba darkar taiba competition atopa country mayam competition tawbagi mahuta kogi multilateral cooperation se boost tawba darkar taiba India requested the like-minded developing countries member to join hand with India to support a global initiative it has pioneered, including the International Solar Alliance, Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, CDRI and the Leadership Group for Industry Transition LEADIT. Indiana like mandate members in the request we global initiative to support for example International Solar Alliance Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure support infrastructure for resilient island state. India launched this initiative as a part of CDRI that would focus on building capacity, having pilot project especially in small island developing state. Small Island Developing State or SIDS face the biggest threat from climate change. India Space Agency ISRO will build a special data window for them to provide them timely information about cyclone, coral reef monitoring, coastline monitoring, etc. through satellite. Infrastructure for Resilient Island State. Masigi initiative se India na launch tawbani small island gi developing countries mayam sing sida focus tawraga maram di small island sing sidi climate change tawrako matam biggest threat oiba climate na ising chawba flood tawa matam da climate change cyclone guma tawa matam da small island sing sida soeba aduna India gi ISRO na special data window ama semi aduda special data window to the information mayamama pi information sing the cyclone gi coral reef monitor to bi coastline monitor to bi information mayamama pi through satellite na tawraga. Next initiative sina One Sun One World One Grid launch. Sigi initiative sisu India ga UK ga tawraga solar energy se tap tawbagi initiative amane basisu. It include group of government called the Green Grid Initiative. Masigi initiative se Green Grid Initiative haina sa kawa magi aim sina energy se mafam amadagi na mafam amada transition tawbasini. Aim sina it has potential to be a modern engineering marvel and catalyst for greatly expanding renewable electricity generation and effective mitigation climate change in the next decade. Masi season abataragadi masi modern energy marvel renewable energy generation si mayam season abataragadi koi next decade ta magi climate change se khara madi reduce to honba yagane ba. Deforestation pledge. More than 100 national leaders pledged to halt and reverse deforestation and land degradation by the end of the decade, underpinned by USD 19 billion in public and private funds to invest in the protecting and restoring forests. Deforestation pledge to 100 national leaders se mayamna deforestation se reverse to land degradation by the end of decade ke chahi tara sige manungda khoi deforestation mayam se afforestation tawba land degradation ching jisu phajana semga sagatpa 19 billion USD dollar se private and public funds se invest tawba kaidawbada protecting and restoring forest sing se protect tawba amadi restore tawba matamda gyan tarni ko matang sida gi article se loisan jarage. Thank you matang sida loisan jarage. Aigi video sina mayamda knowledge kajitang piba tarabadi aigi video si support taw boy na like subscribe and share taw view. Thank you.